Welcome. To access the right features, start by selecting your role as either a trader or a custom agent. While this tutorial uses the trader role, custom agents can follow these same steps. Simply select your trader at the start. From the main dashboard, navigate to and tap on the Messages option. The Messages page opens, showing you two distinct menus, PSW and WeBOC. You can also see the message counts for each category at a glance. Tap on any PSW message to open the detailed view. Here, you can read the full contents and find any specific information sent to your account. To keep track of critical updates, use the Mark as Important feature. Simply tap the star icon next to a message to add it to your Important section. You can access these flagged items anytime by heading over to the Important tab. Next, navigate to the WeBOC tab. Tap on any message to review its details. If you need to tidy up your inbox, you'll also find a delete option available within the message view.